les versets que le prophète transmettait étaient émis souvent sur place par rapport à des événements spontanés. Souvent, les Juifs lui posaient des questions pour le piéger. Ils n'avaient pas de temps de se documenter, ni de formuler le tout dans une forme littéraire inégalée. Encore moins de faire ce genre de prévision mathématique. Jour au singulier a été mentionné dans le Coran 365 fois, jour au pluriel 30 fois, mois 12 fois, lune 12 fois, châtiment 117 fois, pardon 234 fois, soit le double. Remarquez l'exactitude, pas 233 ni 235, mais 234 fois. Ceci ne peut être une coïncidence. Foi 25 fois, infidélité 25 fois, monde d'ici-bas, dunya en arabe 115 fois, monde réel après la mort, akhira en arabe 115 fois, ange 88 fois, démon 88 fois, les gens 50 fois, les prophètes 50 fois, les hommes ont été mentionnés 24 fois, ainsi que les femmes, la vie 145 fois, la mort 145 fois, bonnes œuvres 167 fois, péché 167 fois, les 7 cieux ont été mentionnés 7 fois.
إن مثل عيسى عند الله كمثل آدم خلقه من تراب ثم قال له كن فيكون.
Rappelons que le prophète n'a jamais mentionné ces relations numériques dans le Coran. Ce n'est qu'actuellement que les humains commencent à découvrir cette dimension nouvelle de ce livre divin, la dimension numérique. Il serait insensé d'attribuer toutes ces vérités à des coïncidences. La probabilité que toutes ces équivalences coïncident en un seul livre est de 1 sur 626, suivi par 24 zéros. Et encore, les découvertes en ce domaine ne cessent d'accroître. Attribuer toutes ces équivalences à des coïncidences n'est sûrement pas un raisonnement scientifique.
So is this all by coincidence? Now you must remember that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ received the Quran a piece at a time over 23 years. And those pieces that were revealed to him could not be planned in advance because they respond to occasions as they occur. Something is happening and the Quran gives the guidance on what to do in that situation. A battle is fought between the Persians and Romans. Nothing to do with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He cannot control these events. But the Quran comments upon what's happening between the Persians and the Romans. People come to him with questions. He doesn't know the answer. The answer is revealed to him from on high in response to that particular question. That answer becomes a part of the Quran. So it could not be planned in advance. It just comes and happens spontaneously. How then could he make sure that he gets all of these matches turned out right? He couldn't.
Land is repeated 13 times, whereas the word sea repeated 32 times. Well, at first sight, it doesn't seem to be very meaningful. However, if you do a simple math, you're going to have 13. If you add 32, you're going to have 45 as for the result. And the percentages, if you divide 13 to 45, you're going to have 28.88%. And 32 to 45, as for the word sea, you're going to have 71.11%. Now, do you have any idea what those percentages represent? All the lands all over the world on the earth occupies 28.88% of the whole earth. And all the seas, oceans, rivers, all the water occupies 71.11% of the whole earth.
The star Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky. Star Sirius became a focus of interest for a great many ancient civilizations. It was believed that this star possessed various powers, and some people even went to such excesses in their depravity as to worship it. Astronomers have calculated its distance from us at being 8.5 light years. It was noted only in very recent times, thanks to modern telescopes, that Sirius moves together with another star, much smaller than itself, and invisible to the naked eye. Scientists call this two-star system Sirius A and Sirius B. The Sirius double stars orbit in ellipses around one another. The orbital period of Sirius A and B about their common center of gravity is 49.9 years. This scientific data is today accepted with one accord by the Departments of Astronomy at Harvard, Ottawa, and Leicester universities. This information is reported as followed in various sources. Sirius, the brightest star, is actually a twin star. Its orbit lasts 49.9 years.
وأنه هو رب الشعرى فكان قاب قوسين أو أدنى.
The star Sirius is referred to in verse 49 of the surah, and verse 9 of the same surah contains the expression two bow lengths to refer to the two stars' orbits. When we combine the numbers of these two verses, in other words 49 and 9, we obtain the number 49.9, the duration in years of these stars' orbits. Here we are faced with a mathematical miracle of the Quran. Given the technological means available 1400 years ago, it was of course impossible for people living then to know that the star Sirius, one of which is too small to be seen with the naked eye, was actually a two-star system, that both these stars' orbits were in the form of a bow, and that those orbits lasted for 49.9 years. Scientists only came by that information towards the end of the 20th century. Yet our Almighty Lord, the Creator of everything from nothing, the absolute ruler, has miraculously revealed these facts in the Quran. And God knows best.
Because if you say he did it, by the time I finish off with you, you will have to admit that this man Muhammad must be the Almighty God of this universe. He is the omnipotent, omniscient being. He is God. When he says, قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَنَا بَشَرٌ مِثْلُكُمْ, he said, I'm only a man like you.
قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَنَا بَشَرٌ مِثْلُكُمْ يُوحَى إِلَيَّ أَنَّمَا إِلَهُكُمْ إِلَهٌ وَاحِدٌ فَمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو لِقَاءَ رَبِّهِ فَلْيَعْمَلْ عَمَلًا صالحا ولا يشرك بعبادة ربه أحدا.